Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn and Lauren here for SheSave.com, and we're back with another unboxing from our friends at the Toy Insider Sweet Sweet at Home event. This is another party inbox unboxing. We loved the last box that we brought you last week so much that I wanted to show you another example of these really neat boxes that you can send to people. Literally a party in a box. Lauren, you want to open it up? This is our favorite part. All the balloons, and then as you can see, just a super neat way to send someone a gift. Lauren, you want to fish those out? She's actually on a stool. This box is so big. Oh, let's see what we have.
Sunday donuts.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. All the sprinkles and toppings. Look at the little gold spoons.
Oh, I love tiny spoons.
That's so cute. And then donuts. So it looks like you can decorate your own donuts.
Also got a party popper.
Oh, how fun. Just so fancy too. Like this feels like a really, really nice gift. Can you imagine getting this in the mail? Okay, let's see what else is in there.
Ooh, something very heavy.
Oh, wow. Okay, so this is another Michael Aram piece. If you watched our unboxing last week, which I will link to, we got a really beautiful Michael Aram cake cutter. If you're not familiar with his work, he designs beautiful, beautiful home decor items, kind of usually kitchen related, but just really elegant. Super, see how that, oh, it's so beautiful.
It's so cool.
That's why I think these are fantastic gift items to send. These party in boxes, it's not just like it's some chintzy little thing. You're really sending an elegant gift. So for a wedding, a congratulations, corporate gifts, whatnot, the true gift kind of is what you'll have after you have your little donut party, but we're pretty excited about the donut party too, right?
Yes.
Okay, so beautiful. Okay, so we are, what, gonna decorate donuts?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, so there you go. There's a peek at our finished donut creations. We had so much fun making these. Such a unique gift idea to send for so many different occasions. I will include links down below to where you can check out Party in Box and all of the other neat gift options that they have. Anyway, I'm just a big fan. Super cool gift idea. There you go. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.